let's see how to use Microsoft Word's free templates to build your resume. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, if you're just starting out and you want to start building your resume, it may seem overwhelming at first due to the different amount of information that you want to input. And aside from that, you want to make sure that your layout and your resume design is properly managed. Luckily, Microsoft Word has a feature that will allow you to look for templates that suit your style. And to do that, head on over to the File tab right here. Now, click on More Templates. Now, right here, you can search for online templates. For example, as we want a resume, let's just go and type that in. And you will see here different kinds of resumes. Now, to select one, just click on one thing, and that will pop out this window, to which you can click this Create button, which will download that template and automatically open it into a new document, such as this one. And that is how you can use Microsoft Word's free template feature to build your resume. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.